Leveling my camper used to be a guessing game. A little forward, nope. Backup, nope. Leveling your camper can be tricky, frustrating, and it's one of those setup chores that can test your patience real fast. But I finally found a fix. It's the brand new LevelMate MAX, a wireless RV leveling system for travel trailers, fifth wheels, and small campers like mine. But this thing, it had a feature that blew me away. And I don't think that any other wireless RV leveling system has it. And once you see just how slick it is to use, I don't think you're ever gonna wanna go back to leveling your camper the old way again. Welcome back, or if you're new here, hi, I'm Randy, I'm 62, and I do a lot of solo camping in my small camper. If you love discovering camping and outdoor gear that's gonna make your camping life easier and way more fun, you're in the right place. So what exactly is the LevelMate MAX? It's an RV leveling system that's actually quite easy to use. And there's two parts, this device right here and an app that you download from either the Apple or the Android App Store. And the app is free. It even works on smartphones. And all of this really matters because your fridge needs to be level to work right, so your door is closed properly, and so your sinks and your tanks drain like they're supposed to. Because this device is wireless and it uses Bluetooth, once you install it in your RV, you just open the app on your phone. It shows you in real time how level you are or how far off you are from being level right from your tow vehicle. This means no more running back and forth to check your bubble level. But here's the secret that most campers don't realize until they use this app. Sometimes just 1 inch forward or backwards makes the difference between a level camper or the hassle of digging out and using leveling blocks. Now we know not every camping spot is going to be perfectly flat. When there isn't a level spot, I love using my Carmtex curved levelers. I used to use wood blocks, but let's just say using curved levelers versus any blocks is also a game changer. So when I do need to use levels, I just back myself up onto the curved leveler using the LevelMate MAX app, and I can see exactly when I'm level. In my experience, using both is the secret combo to accurately getting my camper level fast. That alone makes me super excited that LevelMate sent me this so I could test it out and share it with you. But hold on, wait until you see what else this thing can do. By the way, if you want to try out the new LevelMate MAX, I've dropped my Amazon link in the description below so you can find it quick. Stick with me though, because I'm excited to share with you the feature that sold me on this wireless RV leveling system. First, let's talk about the setup process. And you know I like easy, and the setup process was really straightforward. Here's how it goes. 1, you download the app. Secondly, you connect the LevelMate MAX via Bluetooth to your phone. Number 3, the app is going to walk you step by step through the setup process. It's going to ask you for a couple of quick measurements, so make sure you have your tape measure handy. The final step is mounting the device inside your RV. They recommend installing the device towards the front of your camper for the strongest connection, but I installed mine in the back of my camper on the wall in the inside of my storage area. The app will tell you this, and I like that they make this recommendation that before you screw the device in, that you should test your connection first. By doing this, you're going to know for certain that it's going to work from that location. So you just want to make sure when you're deciding where to install it that it's in a location that's easily accessible. I had my LevelMate MAX installed and running in less than 15 minutes. If you compare your phone with Bluetooth, you can set it up. It's that simple. Here's another pro tip for you. AllStays has been my go-to for finding campgrounds since 2018. I love it because I can see camping spots right on a map. But now you can save your favorites so you never forget a great spot. And I've got a special 10% off discount code waiting for you in the description below. Okay, now for the new feature in the Max that I teased earlier. And it's the one that blew me away. And once I show it to you, let me know if you agree. The LevelMate MAX has what they call the level to listen feature. The app actually talks to you. Well, more like beeps to you to tell you when you're close to being level side to side. And this means you're not going to be staring at your phone as you're backing in. I'm usually trying just to not crash into a picnic table. So eliminating this whole big distraction means a whole lot less stress. You just listen to the tone and you stop when you hit level. When I'm solo camping, this is a total game changer. I can focus on backing up safely so I don't need to be constantly staring at my phone. Now, I haven't found another leveling system that can do that. Have you? If you have, let me know. Quick heads up before we talk about the pros, the cons, and the costs. I wanted to let you know that you can find all my top-rated camping and outdoor gear at randysadventures.com/shop, including this LevelMate MAX. But my Amazon links in the description below too. Either way, you'll get the right one. Okay, for the pros. And as you've seen throughout this video, there's quite a few. But my favorite is definitely the listen to level feature. It's made setup and leveling my camper so much easier. Okay, nothing is ever 100% perfect. Sometimes I've forgotten to flip the power switch on before parking, which has meant hopping back out to turn it back on. Plus, at $150, it's not exactly cheap, especially if you only camp a few weekends a year. So, is this LevelMate MAX worth the money? For me, 100% yes. The convenience, the accuracy, the time it saves me to set up my camper outweighs the cost. And I'm not the only one that feels this way. Over 8,500 people have reviewed this on Amazon with a 4.5-star rating. Now, that says a lot. So be sure to click below this video to grab your LevelMate MAX on Amazon. Or if you already have one, you're going to want to check out this video next. It's about curved levelers and how they made a dramatic difference in helping me get my camper level much faster. And I think once you watch this video, you're going to want them too. I'll see you over there next.